Finding the pace, balance between speed and comprehension in reading. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial topic: balancing speed and comprehension in reading. How can we read faster without sacrificing our understanding of the text? Let's dive right in. When we talk about reading, it's not just about how quickly we can finish a page, but also how well we understand the material. Speed and comprehension are two sides of the same coin. Some of us can read fast, but have trouble understanding what we've read, while others may understand perfectly, but read too slowly. The key is finding a balance, and that's what we're going to explore today. A pacer is a simple but effective tool that can help guide our eyes across a page. It can be a finger, a pen, or any object that helps us focus on the lines we're reading. But, we should remember, using a pacer should not force us to race through the text. It is about guiding our reading rhythm, not accelerating it uncontrollably. Now, let's look at some strategies to help us balance speed and comprehension. 1. Practice selective speeding. Not every part of the text deserves the same reading speed. Some sections may require careful reading, while others can be skimmed over. Practice adjusting your speed based on the complexity of the content. 2. Expand your vocabulary. The larger your vocabulary, the fewer times you'll need to pause and look up words. This allows for smoother and quicker reading, leading to better comprehension. 3. Chunking. Instead of reading word by word, try to read in chunks, i.e., groups of words. This can significantly boost your reading speed without hampering comprehension. Achieving the perfect balance between speed and comprehension might not come naturally. You may find yourself reading too fast and not understanding, or reading slowly with great comprehension. Here are 2 tips to help overcome these challenges. 1. For fast readers, slow down. Especially in sections that seem complex or dense with information. Speed reading is beneficial, but not if it sacrifices comprehension. 2. For slow readers, try increasing your speed in small increments. Use a pacer and aim to increase your reading speed a bit more each time, without losing comprehension. Remember, practice makes perfect. Balancing speed and comprehension is an art that can greatly enhance your reading skills. Remember, the goal is not to just read faster, but to read more efficiently. With a pacer and these strategies, you're well on your way to becoming a more effective reader. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see improvements in no time. Until our next session, happy reading, everyone.